want to go over railroad track. You just want to look left and right. Beautiful. Yeah, that tint is so dark. Imagine this like black. That's the tint is ridiculous.
My friend has 5% tint and I can't see. So
you can't even imagine. I could put you two in the car and I can't even see you. You could give me the middle finger, stick your tongue out at me, and I wouldn't even see, because he doesn't want people to see into the car. Those tints are illegal. Squeeze the brake. And for a beginning driver, if I put you in there, you would be like, oh cow, I can't even see. So it took me like about 10 minutes because the car's been parked for about 3 months. I drove it without the dark tint on, and it's fine. He increased it because he was in Texas. Stay in the lane to the right. Lane to the right. You're okay. Good. Slow us down. But when you're in states that have a lot of sunlight, Texas, California, Arizona, people get really, really dark tints. We're in the Midwest. That car does not have a tint. That car does not have a tint. He doesn't want people to look in his car. So usually that's an invitation for the police to...
I love fish bowls. Like, not the shape. I just like looking through people's cars.
Right. His tint, you can't see that. And their concern is, are they carrying weapons? Are they drugs? You know, and in many communities, it varies. So his tint is illegal, and you'll get, it's called an equipment violation. Like your tailpipe, your tent. Maybe you have really bright headlights. You'll have 30 days to get it changed, and you take your car back to the police department. They'll check it, and they will rip up the ticket. So learn from that, and you know you'll live better. So we dropped about $1,100, new rotors on the front, new pads front and back, and then 2 new ball joints. And then now we have to deal with the radio because certain models proceed. The Chargers, they have a radio problem, and proceed straight. State yes. So if we got in his vehicle, his radio would be it would be making all these noises like it's haunted. But there's something wrong with the touchpad on the radio. So it's going to be $900. You have to take it to a special person to pull it out. They'll fix it and install it back in. Instead of $1,800, the factory radios cost more. Your speed control is great. Keep it up. You're doing fantastic. She's a little bit under, but that's okay. Pick us up a little bit.